I got another banger for you guys. Stay tuned. So one of the things I get asked a lot on my channel is, what do you do on rainy days? And guys, I don't know if you can tell this on camera or not, but man, it is raining cats and dogs. I got to the shop around 5:30 in the morning. It's about 7:30 right now. But man, it is raining really, really hard. So I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about, what do I do on my rainy days? So one of the best things that you can do on your rainy days, at least this is what I do, this is when I get caught up on things that just build up on me. Like, for example, we have 3 of the vehicles that need oil change. And typically what we do is we have a mechanic that does that. But today, since it's a rainy day, I'm just going to take them to Jiffy Lube because I can sit inside the vehicle, so I can, answer emails and things of that nature on my phone. So that's going to help me save a little bit of time today. Also, the first truck that you saw here on video, the trailer light, one of the trailer lights stopped working, so I'm going to pick up one of the lights, and probably by the end of the day, I'm hoping it's supposed to stop raining at 4, so I'm going to change that out. And by the way, if it wasn't raining today, I would be finishing up a build because I started a build on Saturday. Today's Monday. But, man, I worked all day Saturday, all day Sunday. And I still got 8 hours to go before I finish this enclosed trailer build. But that's what I would be doing today if it wasn't raining. But since it is raining, I'm going to get caught up on all that stuff. The other thing is, when I came in early this morning, after just doing admin stuff, for me, admin stuff's a lot of... emails, signing off on some contracts, things of that nature. But the one thing that I do recommend you guys do on your days off is work on your GMB, Google My Business. That's a great tip for you guys. So, like, for example, I posted all of the pictures from last week, which was about 45 pictures from last week, like before and after pictures. And then the other thing that I did is I posted an update, like an offer on GMB. And, by the way, I'll put the script of that in the description here. You can just copy it. It's a $50 discount for driveway cleaning. And then you just go to a little section on your GMB that says update. You post a picture, and then, you make a title. My title was, I think, driveway cleaning and $50 discount. Anyway, I'll put the script below. You can just copy and paste it. So you can do that. We do a weekly update, like we do a different offer every week for people. And that's what I recommend for SEO, search engine optimization, for your GMB. So I did some GMB stuff. What else did I do? Oh, something really cool. Let me show you real quick here. Hopefully you guys can see this. I created this right here. Okay, and what this is, right there. I don't know if you guys can read that really well. But anyway, what it is a soft washing cheat sheet. And what it is it's just showing you like different surfaces, like stucco, for example, and what you would soft wash that at, like what chemical ratio, and what soap, right? So I get a lot of calls from my guys out in the field. As you guys well know, we use AR-45s and the Comet pumps. And they'll call me and be like, hey, I got this stucco house, or I have this hardy board house. How do I dial up the chemicals in the soap? So I get that question a lot. So I created that cheat sheet. That cheat sheet, by the way, is going to become a permanent part of the business, Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. And if you haven't gotten that yet, over 500 documents. We send you an actual thumb drive in the mail with all my blueprints. And by the way, I tell you guys this all the time. That Business in a Box is always growing because I'm always developing new things for my company, right? Like that cheat sheet didn't exist a month ago. I just created it. So I'm always creating new things like that for my business to help optimize things, right? Make it a little bit better. And that's my point. of rainy day, guys, is you got to take advantage of your rainy days. Now, don't lollygag all day and watch Netflix and think, oh, this is just another day off. It's a great day for you to get caught up on all the little things, guys. When you're running a business of any kind, really, but especially a pressure washing business, things are always going to build up on you, little things here and there. I have to do minor maintenance on all the equipment. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, you know, your pricing PDF, your for example, you know, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO. And the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300. This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and afters pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos. So they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. Make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. And this is a great opportunity for me to do that. Also, like, you know, a lot of times you gotta make runs to different stores like Ace, or I go to Tractor Supply a lot, Lowe's. Get little things here and there that you know, throughout the weeks that you're out there, you notice, oh, I need to get this, I need to get that. A lot of times when you're out there washing, you come home late, and it's too much for you to do that, you know, when you get off work in the evenings. So a rainy day is a great day for you to get caught up on all of those things. And you know, like, I'm going to be going to the bank today. I'm going to be going to Sam's Club. I'm going to basically like just running miscellaneous errands. And then actually, as soon as I'm done, guys, with the oil changes, 3 vehicles, when I get back, I'm going to take the truck and I'm going to take it up there to pick up some equipment at Absolute Pressure Washing in Odenton, Maryland. I need some things that I need for my build that I got coming up. This build here, I got everything here. It's pretty much done, but I'm going to be working on another build, and I'm also starting to get all the stuff that I need for the build that I'm going to do on camera for you guys. What is that? In the first week of July, I'm going to start getting everything that I need here, so I can do that, because, man, that's going to be, wow, roughly around 15 hours of content, guys. It's going to be like 12, I want to say 12 videos, 11 or 12 videos, about an hour to an hour and a half each video. It's going to be my last build because I will have an open trailer build that I already did, a truck build, then I'm going to have an enclosed trailer build. But anyway, so I got that coming up. But anyway, my point to this whole video is that, you know, what do you do on rainy days? It might be my rainy days is going to look a little bit different from yours because I'm running a bigger company. But my point is, make sure on your rainy days you're getting caught up on stuff and you're just not, you know, just taking a day off to lollygag, because things do build up on you a lot. And, you know, on these rainy days is where you get caught up. And I always talk about this with you guys. You know, you have to run a proactive business, not a reactive business, meaning, you know, do things, make actions every day that's going to help you prevent problems in your company. And that's what I'm doing right now, my rainy days. And by the way, that's a great tip for you guys, SEO, you know, with your GMB. Make sure that you do that. Make sure that your copy, I say this all the time on the channel, right? You can't make chicken soup with chicken shit. So you need to make sure that you copy success. That's how you become successful, by copying success. So copy everything that I do. That's the whole purpose behind this channel. And I really appreciate you guys, by the way, coming to the channel today and watching this pressure washing advice video. Highly recommend you watch the next one, guys. You know, stay tuned, guys. That's just the bottom line. Stay tuned to the Mr. Bubbles channel, because we got great content as always for you guys right around the corner. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.